So 90% of our product is from Westco Lumber Limited from the West Coast. It arrives in 150 by 25 and 150 by 40 in select lengths, kiln dried. So as a house is ordered, we order the supply, and we have about a 2 month to 3 month window, and we hold it here until it's ready for processing. So the next step in the processing from raw timber to profiled timber is dressing that rough sawn timber into a dressed board. This is passed through either one of these two four-sided machines and then stacked up down by our hydraulic press unit. So your dressed timber is then passed through the glue line and then onto the press, which it sits for, depending on the temperature, anywhere between 2 hours and 3 hours. Once it's out, it's taken out, and we call that a profile blank at that stage, which is then returned to the four-siders for profiling. So once blanked and profiled, this is what comes out, a nice piece of 100mm profile, ready for CNC or cruci operation as we call it, where it will be turned into the detailed wall lengths, notching, and any other detail that's required for it really. So this here is the cruci machine or CNC router. It takes the blanks that we showed you earlier and turns them into the profile that you will become familiar with as you build your house. The machine here is operated via a computer, which has the detailed design loaded into it, and automatically cuts the boards to length and takes out any notches, and also drills your surfaces and whatnot for your house. So where the house requires more specific cuts or detailing, all the profiles, once run through the cruci, will come over here to our joinery shop for our senior joiner to cut out all the required notching and detailing as specified by the designer. So once processed through the cruci machine, packed up, ready to go to treatment. And this is what our packs look like prior to treatment, in which they'll go through LOSP treatment, wrapped in plastic and delivered to site for construction.